Today, I have a Freightliner M2 business class with a liftgate. We're gonna talk about some of the liftgate situations that you guys should be familiar with, right? And some things you probably may not know, but we're gonna talk about some of the basic stuff first. So one, anytime you purchase a truck and you want a liftgate, let's start with the simple thing. Make sure it works. You know, let it down, bring it all the way down. I'm not gonna do it right now, but bring it all the way down. Make sure it goes all the way to the floor. It opens up. You wanna see these springs, right? The springs is meant to help for tension. So when you open up the liftgate, it should be a little bit smooth as well as helping you put it back on, right? This truck, right? All I had to do was just use the switch here. Some of them are not like that. You may have to go to the cab and it might say liftgate, or you might have to turn on the power to your liftgate. So this particular model, we didn't have to do that. Power is constant with it, so we can play with it all day. Now, I was saying with the spring, make sure you have proper tension, make sure that nothing's broken here, right? So when you're looking at it, and then the other thing is, you can probably see how well leveled this one is. If you let it sit for about 5, 10, maybe 30 minutes, right? Walk around the truck of your purchase, see if the liftgate starts slowly drooping down. Because if it does, and you don't see any external leak, you may have a leaking internal cylinder, right? And it just brings it down, or you may have a pump problem, right? So what you wanna do is just make sure that liftgate holds a position all the way to the top, or if you want, sometimes I tell people, put it right at the middle, keep a mental note or mark it so you know where it's at, start walking around the truck and see if it starts coming down. LRM Truck Repair is open up to the public. What does that mean for you guys? You guys can come down and see my crew and I so we can figure out what's going on with your truck and save you some money. Now, another thing that you may see on liftgates, maybe you'll see one side is up higher and then the other side is starting to droop. So it's more, instead of a straight, it's more like an angle, right? So when you have that, doesn't matter left or right, you have a good problem of an external leak, right? Which is probably obviously the C where it's dripping, or you may have a cylinder that might be failing that goes inside, or there might be a little valve that allows it to bypass back into the pump. So that's when you know you have an issue with what's going on with the liftgate. Now the other thing, maintenance, right? There are maintenance to be held on liftgates. On the sides, and I'll get some close-ups, there's grease fittings. Make sure when you do the oil change, you ask the shop, hey, can you please grease my liftgate as well? Because sometimes, believe it or not, shops won't do it unless you say something. Or just say, hey, does my oil change come with a grease job that covers the liftgate? So keep that in mind. That's what you would do for the liftgate, and then open up the platform completely. You wanna make sure there's no cracks, no damage to it, because you gotta remember, you guys are gonna be getting up and down on this thing, using furniture or whatever else you're trying to haul, but just make sure it's operating properly for what you're trying to do and make sure there's no damage. So like when you look at it, you wanna make sure there's no broken welds, make sure the spring is properly tensioned, get on it, jump on it a little bit, make sure it holds your weight too, because that's a big thing. You don't wanna get on it and it just comes right back down. And then just make sure it's working properly, goes all the way up, all right? And you guys should have little steps. If it's missing, you can always ask them, hey, you're gonna install one before I purchase it. You know, sometimes it's like, as you can see, it's like a big thick cable here connected, or it might be just a drop down ladder. All right guys, so we talked about the liftgate, some basic information that you guys should have out there. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment at the bottom. If you like what you saw, don't forget to pound that like button. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys around.